Favorable conditions for formation of cation. Favorable conditions for formation of cation and anion are the favorable conditions for the formation of the ionic bond. Favorable conditions for formation of cation. First one, low ionization potential value. Ionization potential, minimum amount of energy required to remove an electron from isolated gaseous neutral atom is called ionization potential. X plus ionization potential, it converted to X plus electron. This one is the minimum amount of energy required to remove electron from X. So this one is known as ionization potential. Low ionization potential of atom form cation easily. For example, ionization potential of 1A group elements: lithium greater than sodium greater than potassium greater than rubidium greater than cesium. Cesium has low ionization potential, so it form cation easily. Cesium form cation Cs plus easily. For example, CsCl, NaCl, which one is more ionic? CsCl is more ionic because Cs has low ionization potential. Second factor for the formation of cation, low charge on cation. Cation with less charge is readily formed. For example, Na plus readily formed than Mg plus 2. Similarly, Mg plus 2 readily formed than Al plus 3. Reason, it is difficult to remove second electron from unipositive ion. In case of Mg plus 2, to remove second electron removed from Mg plus ion. Between positive charged ion and electron, attraction force is present, so not easily removed. So Na plus is readily formed than Mg plus 2. If we compare NaCl, MgCl2, here Na plus ion is present, Mg plus 2 ion, so NaCl is more ionic than MgCl2. Next factor for the formation of cation, atomic size. Large size atom, it is readily form cation. As size of atom increases, distance between nucleus and outermost electron increases. As size of atom increases, distance from nucleus is also increases. Distance from nucleus increases, that means attraction force of nucleus over the valence electron decreases. So this electron easily removed. That means it form cation easily. So atomic size in 1A group elements: lithium less than, sodium less than, potassium less than, rubidium less than, cesium. Cesium, it readily lost electron, so cesium readily form cation. So CsCl is more ionic than NaCl, KCl. In NaCl, KCl, KCl is more ionic than NaCl. Cation with inert gas configuration. Cation with inert gas configuration is readily formed than cation with pseudo inert gas configuration. For example, Na plus, its configuration 2,8, containing 8 electrons in valence shell, is known as inert gas configuration. In case of Na plus, it has a neon configuration. Cu plus 2,8,18, containing 18 electrons in valence shell, is known as pseudo inert gas configuration. So inert gas configuration, it readily formed. Na plus readily formed than Cu plus. So NaCl is more ionic than CuCl, it is less ionic. Next, favorable conditions for formation of anion. Favorable conditions for ionic bond, nothing but conditions for cation formation and anion formation. In case of anion, high electron affinity elements, they readily form anion. Second one, low charge on anion. Third one, small size atom. First one, high electron affinity. Electron affinity means amount of energy released when an electron is added to isolated gaseous neutral atom is called electron affinity. For example, X atom, to this we add electron, it converted to anion X minus because it gain electron, it loses some energy. This released energy is known as electron affinity. Atom with high electron affinity, it form anion easily. High electron affinity atom readily form anion. For example, chlorine comparison with bromine. Chlorine has high electron affinity, so it easily converted to Cl minus when compared to Br converted to Br minus. That is the reason NaCl is more ionic than NaBr. Next, low charge on anion, F minus O minus 2. F minus easily formed when compared to O minus 2. In case of O minus 2, O minus it combined with electron. Negative repulsions are there. So to overcome repulsions, it consumes some energy. So which one easily formed? F minus, because it just gain one electron. Suppose we compare NaF and Na2O. NaF is more ionic because it contain less charge on the anion. Less charge on anion means easily formed. It easily formed means favor the ionic bond formation. Next, small size atom. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine size increases. Fluorine small size than chlorine, so F minus easily formed than Cl minus. That means F minus containing substances are more ionic. For example, Kf, KCl. Kf is more ionic. These are the favorable conditions for the formation of the ionic bond.